Hi, everybody, and happy November. Fall is in full swing here in Gainesville, Florida, and the holidays are upon us. So, I am dedicating this special episode of Heat Eats to basically pies, first of all, and second of all, some new twists on some classic dishes. So, we've got a green bean casserole shepherd's pie. So, that's essentially a mashup of green bean casserole plus mashed potatoes. And we've got a mushroom gravy in place of cream of mushroom soup, which is usually used in green bean casseroles. Another thing that we've got for you is a savory pumpkin pie. It's not a pie, it's basically stuffed portobello mushrooms, but it's using pumpkin puree. It's got some fall herbs and spices and some onions and garlic as well. So, adding some really nice savory flavors. So, maybe try, if you're new to savory pumpkin puree, maybe give that a shot. You can make your own pumpkin puree by roasting pumpkin in the oven and just scooping out the insides, or you can just use canned unsweetened pumpkin puree. It's all over the place this time of year. And then finally, for dessert, we've got some sweet potato pecan pies. And basically, we're using sweet potato instead of like a traditional flour crust. And we're using honey instead of molasses for the pecan filling. So I hope you enjoy, experiment, adjust seasonings as needed, and happy holidays, everybody.